That one's a little slow. You think you can find a faster one? Or are they too scary? Well, you gotta climb up again. Careful. Try it again. Need help? You got it. Wipe it off. And try again.
Maybe that stops like this.
Just go slow. Oh, there you go. That's thinking, Abe Lincoln.
Maybe if I do like this.
Slow and steady. Almost there. Oh, there you go. And we still have all our teeth. Now, which one are you going to go on?
Is this one curvy?
It looks like it's curvy and it's bumpy. You want to try it?
Which one is fast?
This one I think is fast.
Oh, I don't want to.
All right, good luck.
Where's this one?
Here, sit on it. Let's see. So here goes nothing.
Here goes nothing.
Here we go. Let's do it. All right, you got to go. All right, goodbye.
No.
Then let's go.
This one goes.
Choices.
This one.
Here we go. Bump, bump, bump. And go. Ooh, Daddy's going to walk away. Woohoo! That one is fast.
This one's fast.
Was that bumpy?
No. My bum doesn't hurt.
I'm glad your bum doesn't hurt. See, now we learn.
Now we know. Oh, there we go.
There we go. And we still have all our teeth.
Yep. Now.
Ooh, super fast.
Yeah.
Here goes nothing.
Here goes nothing.
Whoa, mama! Holy guacamole!
Daddy, I'm over here.
Oh, sorry. And we still have all our teeth.
Yeah, Rocky. Now it's one.
Which one? You haven't done this one yet. Choices, choices.
Here goes nothing.
Here goes nothing. Whoa, baby! Thumbs up. What, you're going to check out the other playground? How do we get in?